The 200,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor in this hairdryer ensures incredibly fast drying, making it an ideal choice for those with busy schedules. With an impressive release of 1,000 million negative ions, this hairdryer significantly reduces frizz and enhances the hair's natural shine. Its magnetic attachments, including a concentrator and diffuser, allow for versatile styling options, catering to all hair types with precision. Operating at a whisper-quiet level of less than 50 decibels, this lightweight hairdryer offers a comfortable and noise-free experience. The 5-heat and 6-speed settings provide a highly customizable drying experience, transforming everyday hair care into a professional, salon-like routine. Safety features such as the overheat protection and low radiation, combined with a lifetime warranty, ensure peace of mind for users.